Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Quickswap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Quickswap broke out a very big down channel on the 7-day time frame chart. And after the breakout from the channel, the price line formed another inverse head and shoulder pattern. And while forming that inverse head and shoulder pattern, the price line formed another falling wedge pattern above the resistance of the previous long-term down channel. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and this is by the way a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we have finally broken out the resistance of the wedge. And I was telling you in my previous video that after the breakout, we can expect the target here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 4.6 cents. And you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target and got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this down channel. And I would also like to show you once again this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for portal, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal here, I shared on 19th of July, and you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying on and sell targets on and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying on and read the sell targets on. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Quickswap. And first of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video. And when I shared my last video, at that time, it was testing the support of the wedge. And now you can see that after testing the support of the wedge and the previous resistance of the down channel as a support as well, the price then geared up and broke out the resistance of the wedge. The expected target for the breakout was here at the top of the wedge that I was telling you at approximately 4.6 cents. And you can see that the price line pumped beyond that target up to 5.288 cents, but got rejected by this resistance of 5 cents. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was almost 68%, very, very powerful pump. And now recently the price has also broken down this support of 4.35 cents as well. That was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And now again, it can work as a resistance for the price line. Now, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that for the past several days since after 2nd of March, the price line was moving inside this quite long down channel since 2nd of March 2024. And recently here on 20th of August, 21st of August 2024, the price line broke out the resistance and again retested the resistance of the channel as a support and geared up. And while retesting the resistance of the channel that support, the price formed the right shoulder of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see that here we have the formation of the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have the neckline for this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And you can see that right now the price line is trying to break out the neckline. We had a long spike beyond the resistance of the neckline where the price could not break it out and rejected once again. And if the price breaks out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, this is by the way a bullish path pattern, therefore there are more chances that the price may break it out soon. Then technical target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. Let me place this trend line here. Then technical target will be approximately at 9.4 cents. And if the price reaches there, then we can also break out another very significant resistance of 7.9 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a support here for several days. And now if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, that technical target is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 12.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.